1. 1962 Mercury Comet Pro Street. Price, $19,000, located Davenport, Iowa. This 1962 Mercury Comet Pro Street is a professionally built high-performance machine designed to dominate both the street and the drag strip. Constructed on a full custom tube chassis, this radical Comet combines lightweight classic styling with serious race-inspired engineering. At the heart of the build is a massive 545 cubic inch Ford big block stroker engine featuring forged internal components, a balanced rotating assembly, and Edelbrock aluminum cylinder heads. Feeding the powerful engine is a 1050 Dominator carburetor running on E85 fuel, delivering impressive horsepower and exceptional throttle response. The drivetrain includes a professionally built RFK Powerglide transmission with a manual valve body, while a narrowed Ford 9-inch rear end transfers power to the pavement. The rear suspension utilizes a Pro Ladder Bar 4-link setup with adjustable coilover shocks. Front suspension duties are handled by a Mustang 2-disc brake system with manual steering. Despite its race-ready capabilities, this Mercury remains fully street-legal with lights, signals, title, and a complete interior. Additional features include a roll cage, trans brake, line lock, fuel cell, gauges, and extensive build documentation. This is an exceptionally well-built pro street car ready to enjoy immediately. 2. 1971 Dodge Demon. Price, $28,000, located New Albin, Iowa. This 1971 Dodge Demon is a highly desirable Mopar muscle car that combines classic styling, strong performance, and excellent drivability. Finished as a well-maintained example, this Demon retains the aggressive appearance that made these vehicles popular among muscle car enthusiasts. Under the hood is a powerful 360 horsepower V8 engine that delivers impressive acceleration and the unmistakable sound expected from a classic Dodge performance car. The engine is paired with a desirable 4-speed manual transmission, providing complete driver control and an engaging driving experience. Power is transferred through a positraction rear end equipped with 3.73 gears, offering strong off-the-line performance while maintaining comfortable cruising capability. The vehicle also benefits from 4-wheel disc brakes, providing improved stopping power and enhanced safety compared to many original muscle cars of the era. This Dodge Demon represents an increasingly collectible model that stands out from more common muscle cars. Combining performance, rarity, and classic Mopar heritage, it offers an outstanding opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a genuine American muscle car that is ready to enjoy on the road or at local automotive events. 3. 1960 Ford Thunderbird Coupe 2D. Price, $16,000, located Owatonna, Minnesota. This 1960 Ford Thunderbird Coupe is a classic personal luxury car that combines elegant styling with numerous factory comfort features. Powered by its original 352 cubic inch V8 engine and paired with a dependable Cruise-O-Matic automatic transmission, this Thunderbird delivers smooth performance and effortless cruising. The vehicle has accumulated approximately 38,000 miles and remains a solid driver that can be enjoyed immediately. Factory equipment includes power windows, power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, and an aftermarket power sunroof. The air conditioning compressor and condenser are included with the vehicle, allowing future installation if desired. Over the years, the car has received extensive mechanical maintenance, including replacement steering components, suspension bushings, ball joints, wheel bearings, brake components, shocks, ignition upgrades, fuel system parts, timing components, and numerous engine gaskets. Finished in silver, the car was repainted several decades ago and remains presentable while showing normal signs of age. This Thunderbird offers a comfortable driving experience, classic styling, and a long list of maintenance updates that make it an attractive vintage Ford for collectors and enthusiasts alike. 4. 1961 Pontiac Tempest Custom Club Coupe. Price, $45,000, located Cedar Falls, Iowa. This 1961 Pontiac Tempest Custom Club Coupe is an extraordinary restomod built to an exceptionally high standard of craftsmanship. The project required years of meticulous work and features custom engineering throughout. Originally purchased as a 4-cylinder vehicle, it was transformed into a powerful performance machine while maintaining the distinctive appearance of the rare early Tempest platform. Power comes from a professionally rebuilt 455 cubic inch Pontiac V8 engine producing approximately 525 horsepower and 575 pound-feet of torque. The engine features premium internal components, Edelbrock cylinder heads, performance camshaft upgrades, and a Demon carburetor. A turbo 400 automatic transmission transfers power to a Ford 9-inch rear end with a Detroit locker differential and 3.50 gears. Additional highlights include an Art Morrison 4-link rear suspension, coilover shocks, 4-wheel disc brakes, custom floor pan fabrication, roll cage, tilt-forward hood, and weld racing wheels. Finished in raspberry metallic paint with a gray cloth interior, this Tempest offers outstanding performance, exceptional build quality, and the rarity that serious collectors seek in a custom-built classic automobile. 5. 1969 Ford Torino GT. Price, $13,900, located Reeseville, Wisconsin. This 1969 Ford Torino GT is a classic American muscle car that combines attractive styling, dependable V8 performance, and strong collector appeal. Finished in blue with a white interior, this Torino presents a timeless appearance that reflects the bold design language of late 60s Ford performance vehicles. The vehicle is powered by a 302 cubic inch Ford the 5.8 engine that provides reliable performance and enjoyable cruising characteristics. The engine is paired with an automatic transmission, making the car easy to drive and well suited for weekend cruising, local car shows, and highway travel. The seller reports that the vehicle runs and drives well, demonstrating the dependability that has helped make the Torino a respected name among classic Ford enthusiasts. Included with the vehicle are the original GT wheels, adding to its authenticity and collector value. The body is described as solid, while the paint remains presentable with minor chips and scratches consistent with normal use. This Ford Torino GT offers an excellent opportunity to own an iconic muscle-era Ford that delivers style, comfort, and classic V8 performance at an attractive price. 6. 1962 Chevrolet Nova 2 drag car. Price, $20,000, located Waverly, Minnesota. This 1962 Chevrolet Nova 2 drag car is a purpose-built racing machine designed for serious performance both on the strip and at competitive racing events. Built around a lightweight platform, this Nova has been extensively modified to handle substantial horsepower while maintaining the unmistakable appearance of the early Chevrolet compact. Under the hood is a massive 532 cubic inch Merlin big block Chevrolet engine capable of producing impressive power and acceleration. The engine is paired with a Reed Powerglide transmission, one of the most respected transmissions in drag racing due to its strength and consistency. Power is delivered through a fabricated Ford 9-inch rear end, while the suspension utilizes a coilover ladder bar setup engineered for maximum traction. The car is equipped with a certified roll cage, although recertification may be required for certain racing classes. Additional race-oriented features include fiberglass fenders, fiberglass doors, fiberglass hood, and a fiberglass trunk lid to reduce weight. With a clean title and an established drag racing configuration, this Chevrolet Nova 2 represents an excellent opportunity for racers seeking a powerful and affordable competition vehicle. 7. 1967 Plymouth GTX. Price, $35,000, located Sioux City, Iowa. This 1967 Plymouth GTX is a highly desirable Mopar muscle car that combines originality, performance, and everyday drivability. Known as one of Plymouth's premier performance models, the GTX earned a reputation for delivering powerful V8 performance wrapped in a stylish and refined package. This example remains especially appealing due to its original paint, original engine, and original transmission, preserving much of the authenticity that collectors appreciate. The vehicle has had only 2 registered owners throughout its life, a rarity among classic muscle cars of this era. With more than 100,000 miles accumulated over decades of ownership, it has proven itself as a dependable driver rather than a garage-only collectible. Numerous replacement parts and maintenance updates have been completed over the years to keep the vehicle operating properly. The seller describes the car as a daily driver, highlighting its reliability and roadworthiness. Combining originality, proven performance, and limited ownership history, this Plymouth GTX offers an outstanding opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a genuine muscle car with authentic character and strong collector appeal. 8. 1966 Ford Mustang. Price, $14,000, located Arbela, Missouri. This 1966 Ford Mustang is a heavily upgraded classic pony car that combines vintage styling with numerous modern performance enhancements. Powered by a 302 cubic inch Ford the 5.8 engine equipped with a performance camshaft and electronic fuel injection, this Mustang delivers improved reliability, throttle response, and drivability compared to many traditional carbureted combinations. The result is a classic Mustang that can be enjoyed both on local roads and longer highway trips. The vehicle has undergone extensive restoration work, including replacement of body panels and significant updates throughout the chassis. Performance improvements include Willwood disc brakes at all four corners, upgraded suspension components, and refreshed steering and ball joint assemblies. These modifications greatly improve handling, braking performance, and overall driving confidence. Inside, the interior has been completely redone and features upgraded seating along with a modern digital dashboard. The exterior has also been refinished, giving the car an attractive appearance. While some minor wiring tasks remain unfinished, this Mustang offers tremendous value for enthusiasts seeking a classic Ford with extensive upgrades and modern driving characteristics. 9. 1971 Chevrolet Nova SS. Price, $22,500, located Bellevue, Nebraska. This 1971 Chevrolet Nova SS is a classic muscle car built with performance and street enjoyment in mind. Finished in black with a matching black interior, the vehicle presents an aggressive appearance that perfectly complements its upgraded drivetrain. Under the hood is a freshly built 355 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine designed to provide strong horsepower, dependable operation, and the unmistakable sound associated with classic American muscle. The engine is paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission equipped with a new TCI shifter, creating a responsive and reliable driving experience. Additional upgrades include new street-legal racing slicks that enhance traction and contribute to the car's muscular stance. The interior features new Sparco racing seats that provide improved support and comfort during spirited driving. The Nova SS remains one of Chevrolet's most respected muscle car platforms due to its lightweight design and excellent performance potential. This example offers a desirable combination of fresh mechanical components, attractive styling, and proven V8 power. It represents an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a classic Nova ready for cruises, shows, and weekend enjoyment. 10. 1979 Oldsmobile custom-built drag car. Price, $15,000, located Claremore, Oklahoma. This 1979 Oldsmobile custom-built drag car is a dedicated racing machine designed to provide an affordable and competitive entry into the world of drag racing. Built specifically for quarter-mile performance, the vehicle combines lightweight construction with a proven drivetrain package capable of producing consistent results. The seller describes it as an excellent choice for newcomers to the sport as well as experienced racers looking for a dependable bracket racing vehicle. Power comes from a 350 cubic inch small block engine running on alcohol fuel. Producing approximately 400 horsepower, the engine delivers strong acceleration while benefiting from the cooling properties and performance advantages associated with alcohol-fueled racing applications. The vehicle is equipped with a manual transmission that allows drivers greater control over gear selection and race strategy. The car includes extensive documentation, receipts, and supporting paperwork that help verify the build and maintenance history. Additional components and even a mold for producing custom hoods are included with the sale. This Oldsmobile represents a unique opportunity to acquire a ready-to-race drag car with substantial supporting equipment. 11. 1977 Ford Maverick. Price, $15,000, located Arnold, Missouri. This 1977 Ford Maverick is a classic compact performance car that has been prepared with drag racing and street performance in mind. Known for its lightweight platform and excellent power-to-weight potential, the Maverick has long been a favorite among racers and performance enthusiasts. This example features a proven Ford 351 Windsor V8 engine, an engine widely respected for its durability, strong torque output, and impressive aftermarket support. Backing the engine is a dependable C6 automatic transmission, one of Ford's most durable transmission designs. The vehicle is also equipped with a 6-point roll cage, providing additional chassis rigidity and improved safety for high-performance driving applications. These upgrades make the car well suited for enthusiasts interested in drag racing, weekend events, or aggressive street driving. The Maverick's compact dimensions and lightweight construction allow it to take full advantage of the available V8 power. Combining classic Ford styling with proven performance components, this vehicle offers an exciting driving experience and significant potential for future customization. It is an attractive choice for collectors and racers alike. 12. 1979 Chevrolet Monza 2DR. Price, $20,000, located Kansas City, Kansas. This 1979 Chevrolet Monza 2-door is a well-built custom performance car that combines classic styling with modern mechanical upgrades. Finished in white with a tan interior, the vehicle presents exceptionally well and is reported to be largely rust-free, a valuable characteristic for a vehicle of this age. The car has undergone a comprehensive powertrain rebuild with significant attention to detail and quality components throughout. Power comes from a professionally built 355 cubic inch V8 engine equipped with Promax cylinder heads for improved airflow and performance. The engine is paired with a TCI 700 R4 overdrive automatic transmission, providing both strong acceleration and comfortable highway cruising capability. Additional upgrades include billet accessory brackets, stainless braided fuel and transmission lines, and a modern power steering gearbox. Unlike many performance-oriented builds, this Monza retains functional air conditioning and heating systems, making it comfortable for regular driving. The sale also includes rare rear quarter window louvers and rear glass louvers. Combining comfort, performance, and extensive upgrades, this Chevrolet Monza offers a unique package for enthusiasts seeking something different from traditional muscle cars.